AutoCAD's dynamic input provides a command interface near the cursor in the drawing area. It provides an alternative way to enter commands while keeping your focus on your design rather than the program interface. When dynamic input is turned on, a tooltip displays updated information near the cursor that is relevant to the task you are performing. When a command is in progress, you can specify options and values in the tooltip text box. The actions required to complete a command or to use grips are similar to those for the command prompt. If the autocomplete and autocorrect features are turned on, the program automatically completes the command and offers correct spelling suggestions, just as it does on the command line. The difference is that your attention can stay near the cursor. From the ribbon, Home tab, Draw panel, select line. Notice in the command line that not only does the command name display, but it also prompts you with the actions needed to finish the command. This prompt also displays next to the cursor. Pick a point in the drawing area. The prompt changes to the next step in the command. In this example, it is to specify the next point in the line. Create two connected line segments. Now, in the command line, you have the options appearing in brackets. Also notice the dynamic input tooltip. The prompt ends with the word "or" and a small down arrow. This means you can enter a response in the tooltip instead of on the command line. On your keyboard, press the down arrow key to view and select options. Once an option, such as close, is selected, press enter. In this example, a line is automatically drawn, creating a closed polygon, and the command ends. You can turn off dynamic input at any time. From the status bar, select Customization, then select Dynamic Input. Now, Dynamic Input displays on the status bar. Select Dynamic Input to toggle the tool off and on. With Dynamic Input toggled off, start the line command again. Notice that now there is no Dynamic Input tooltip next to the cursor. Draw a couple of line segments and, on your keyboard, press Enter to end the command. Toggle Dynamic Input back on. Because Dynamic Input is so useful, it's recommended to keep it toggled on. To remove the Dynamic Input option from the status bar, open the Customization menu again and deselect Dynamic Input. While Dynamic Input is not designed to replace the command window, it is a highly useful tool in expediting drawing tasks.